Even though she is on lockdown status, or what inmates call the box, Heather Verdon will still be permitted 1 hour per day out on the yard as well. But most of the time, she will be locked inside a single-person cell on a tier alongside other inmates with the same status.
You get lonely when you're sitting in here. You don't have contact with anybody, really.
Hey, bro, what's up?
The box.
How are you doing today?
I mean, I feel like eventually I'm going to get used to it after a little bit, but, like, it's not something that I really want to get used to at this point, like, but I can't, I don't really have a choice. I have to deal with it, and just, I guess it gives me time to think.
Goddamn, Renee.
Got into trouble a day
Fucker.
What did I do now?
Everything.
Okay, like what? Give me one reason, one thing. Okay, I guess you don't want to say anything,
Huh?
Thought so.
Though?
I'm not gonna say it until you give an answer. Why you?
Because I love you.
I love you too, though.
I like shaving my head bald. What's up, Tim? How are you doing today, man? What are you guys all doing today? Let's see what other movie apps are free, okay?
Okay.
Where's your app? This. Ah! My TV scared me.
Need help. Give me it.
Those cost.
I know, I said give me the controller for the apps, babe.
Okay, I gave you the controller for the app, babe.
Shut up,
Fucker.
bastard. Slutty arm. Man whore.
Any more?
No, you're good.
I want to, but for now I have them pierced. I'm talking about my nips. Free apps. Do they have MTV?
On here, yeah.
Watch MTV. Yes, I do. I love being bald. It feels free.
For movies.
Okay, download it.
Hang on.
I cut my hair every morning. And what's up, Ninja? I don't want to see that one.
What, Batman?
No, that episode. What shows I got on it?
You're looking at them.
That's it?
They have other ones.
Just that much? That's it?
Yeah.
No, I don't like that one.
Okay.
What? What's Crackle?
Same thing as the other one. Everything's free.
Yeah, what's on it?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I work. I'm already off for the day. Chilling, waiting on dinner. I'm going out with my mother tonight to dinner. Should be good. I'm getting lit. Fuck. I work all the damn time. Shit. Do you work? Hell yeah.
I conquer these lands in the name of House Titanium. Hee-yah!
The fuck?
How much zinc can one woman drink?
Careful, brother. Father hears you talking like that, and you'll find your ass tumble polished by his fist.
Dax, you're back.
The third underrealm.
Thanks. Where do you work at, bro? Hold up.
Probably gonna have my bard lip lord leave that part out.
Awesome. When do I get to start slaughtering the blind like you, brother?
Rex, you know only the eldest son joins the warrior class. You're destined to be an explorer.
Great.
Hey, without explorers, we'd never find blind courts people to enslave and slay. Sure, most explorers send search of the surface, a perilous journey to a land that probably doesn't exist, but, you know, what a way to go.
I guess.
Your fucking ass, Renee.
For the seat at the head of House Titanium, I challenge you to a blood duel.
You're fucking ass.
Duel is not a
Your face.
challenge spoken, even in jest. Must end in one of our deaths. Now smile, and remember, brother, it is better to be a subtopian slave than a free court's mite. These markings are from Rex's drill pod. He came this way. My brother is close. You will sing songs of this day, Liplore. Yes, my master. Oh, you mean right now? Yes. I sing the tale of Dax the Great and a brother lost to fate. Dax searched for years to find his way. And make his brother's
Move.
captors
You move.
Bitch, I'm lying there.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck off.
You fuck off.
Fuck
Your
off.
ass.
Fuck your
You
face.
fuck your mouth.
Fuck your mouth, Renee. Get me back to my apps.
What?
Where's the apps?
I just told you.
Well, I forgot.
God damn it.
Here, bitch.
Oh, what did you call me?
You heard me, old lady. You bumped it.
I know. Oh. What the fuck did you do?
I go to day program. Yes, I use a men's room, and yes, I've used a urinal.
What the hell?
I know how to pee setting up. I want to go to another app.
I'm going to get to it. Fucking hold on. Shit.
Hold your ass. I told you I want to watch MTV, you old lady.
I'm trying to. If you fucking shut up. Don't fuck the goddamn thing. Oh. Goddamn.
Hit this and tell me you're not Chinese. One hit on this cone.
No.
Hit it, goddammit.
No.
Hit the goddamn weed.
No. Fucking asshole. I said no. Now quit fucking bugging me about it. You want me to find your goddamn MTV? You better knock this fucking shit off. I will turn this motherfucker off.
Uh-oh. They said, am I clowning on you?
What does that mean?
Am I messing with you?
Yeah.
We're just playing around and
Oh, yeah.
whoop whoop. We clown on each other all day. I ain't even gonna lie. She wears the pants in the relationship.
Okay, come on.
No, Mason's cool. Nah, he's cool. He's cool. I'm clowning on my old lady, and what the my hole in the mattress looks like a damn dick.
Hey, babe.
Look, doesn't it? Like, there's the fucking balls, and then fuck, and then my mattress is all fucking torn up because I like to rip it.
Hey, babe, there's two of them.
I burnt that. What? The yellow.
Oh, what? You wanted to fucking know about this shit. Here.
Ow, my fucking ankle. Put it on.
What's A? God damn it, Chris, I'm gonna do this one more goddamn time.
This bitch.
You're an ass. You're a stupid goddamn ass.
Eat shit.
Oh my god. You told me to eat shit. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'll
is
get
wrong
it
with
out.
You? Ow!
What?
You quit pulling my fucking hair.
What hair?
I'm a fucking gorilla, okay?
Come here.
Like,
Come here.
you're an ass, man.
Come here, Sags.
Thanks. Look at this.
My belly. Lay your head down, Saggy.
Saggy. I can't. I have to.
No, you don't. No one says you have.
Don't. You're gonna twist my knee. Seriously, stop. Stop! I'm gonna fuck you up, man. Wait, who's this? Oh my god, would you leave? I'm trying to talk to your friend here. And you're being an ass. I'm trying to talk. Please let me talk.
You're not shutting up. You're speaking.
Because you keep tickling me.
Well, you know what? Shut the. You keep speaking. Say what you want to say, and I'll keep tickling.
Let me alone.
How do you like them apples?
Don't.
I'm scratching your goddamn back. Get your ass over here. What'd you do to the Xbox?
I didn't do a damn thing. Okay, let me fix it. What? Don't. Stop. You want me to fix it?
Yeah.
No, stop. You're an asshole. You're being a jackass. You gotta go. I mean, the controller. It's right there.
I was sitting up to get it, you bitch.
Yeah. You're an asshole, man.
Your mom eats my asshole.
I'm gonna slap you. Don't eat my head. Don't stop flipping people off.
I'm flipping you off, you old lady.
Oh,
I love you.
I love you too.
We're just playing. Huh.
Yes. Okay, would you stop? For heaven's sakes.
Kiss my ass.
Go.